My name's Ben Campbell. I'm an apprentice here at Dessa in St Neots. So as an apprentice I work in the engineering department where we do either temporary works designs with scaffolding or we do 3D modelling and product design. So I don't test well. I've always found I'm stronger with coursework related tasks, and doing an apprenticeship allowed me to relate a lot of the work I'm doing into the course and tie the two together, and I just thought I'd like to earn a bit of money whilst also learning, of course. So I wasn't sure what I wanted to do after I did my first round of A-levels. I took a gap year after doing those and started looking for an apprenticeship. So I knew I wanted to carry on with further education, but I wasn't sure what specifically I wanted to do. So I looked at an apprenticeship whilst I was still working, found the apprenticeship here at Dessa almost 4 years ago now, and yeah, I'm still here, still enjoying it and moving on up. So I'm very happy, with unfortunately I was a bit late starting the course at the college, so I had to work extra hard, with the support of all the teachers, of course, to catch up with the bits I've missed, and then of course lockdown and learning from home made a big difference as well. But it just shows the effort is always worth it, and yeah, I'm just very proud. It just shows that all the hard work I put in over the last couple of years has been worth it. No matter how stressful it might have been, how long some of the projects might have taken, it's all been worth it, and yeah, it's something I can show for my efforts. If you're considering an apprenticeship, I'd say definitely go for it. Being able to earn money is nice, but you also get a lot of knowledge about industry and how things actually work. I've got friends that have just done degrees, whereas I've done the work side of things, but I'm still learning, and I get the benefit of that. I've got lots of contacts in the industry now, and I feel like I've almost gained more knowledge being here doing an apprenticeship instead of doing a degree straight away. Well, my ultimate goal really is to become a chartered engineer. That's where I'd like to get, and of course working in an engineering firm is the place to go for that. So yeah, it's put me on the right path. I'm finishing my apprenticeship, coming to the end of it. We're starting to look at doing work-based degrees and that kind of thing, so that we can move forward, and I can obviously get to my goal of chartership.
My name is Tony Jenkins and I'm Managing Director at Dessa. We currently have just the one apprenticeship, that's with young Ben, but I'll certainly be considering more for the future. Initially it was an experiment for us. Traditionally we've gone through the orthodox route, through agencies and through advertising. I thought apprenticeship sounded very good, the way they were promoted at the time, and we sort of reached out to CRC, we found Ben, and to be honest with you, it's one of the best things we've done. Ben has gained skills tremendously quickly, and to a position where we've given him almost full autonomy on certain projects. He's been involved in some redesign and manufacture of some fairly important structural components. He's looked after all the manufacturing drawings, the coordination of drawings to suppliers, checking of goods when they've returned back. He's been doing a job we'd sort of expect someone with maybe 10 years experience to be doing. So, it's great. I think Ben's actually won the award. It's not us, we've just given Ben some opportunities, but it's all come from Ben, and his hard work and diligence has made this happen. I would recommend CRC. I felt the feedback I had during the meetings with Barry was very good, and yeah, I can't really compare it with anywhere else because we've only been to CRC, but I would certainly recommend CRC in the future. The days of traditional working and have changed. I think apprenticeships in the past were almost compulsory for everybody in manual trades. They went out of fashion in the 80s and 90s, and I think, you know, I strongly advocate the use of them in the future. I think it's a good way forward. It gives people to learn more vocationally and at the same time, you know, earning money and contributing to business.